myself tonight. My heart is filled with fear. The only sound within this room is the falling of each tear. I think about the thing I've done. I know it wasn't right. They'll bury flow tomorrow, but they're hanging me tonight. They're hanging me tonight. Well, how did I pluck us? I was sore fingers again with a quickie for you. I've had several requests to do some more Marty Robbins songs, so here is one, and it's called They're Hanging Me Tonight. Okay, standard tuning with a capo to get the right sort of sound. I'm doing it in the same key as Marty Robbins to try and get the same sound that they've got on the record. I've put a capo on fret 5. Okay, it's in the key of F on the original record. So put the capo on fret 5 and we're playing it in the sort of C shapes, C, F and G, and A minor sort of shapes. Okay, so the record starts off with a very simple basic intro. Starts off on a C chord. Okay, so what I'm doing there is C, ba, 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 and then run down, third on the fifth from the capo, third on the fifth, second on the fifth, open fifth, and then we're playing an A minor, but we're playing it right up here to give us the right sound that's on the record. Okay, so it's 5 frets from the capo, okay, and the 5th string's open. Don't play the 6th string, just the 5 down to 1, mainly the top strings. Okay, that sort of sound. Okay, so far we've got this, and basically it's da 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 da. It's main. It's all downstrokes. The way I hear it is all the way through the song. It's like that. Da 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 da. Okay. So from the beginning, then we play an F, and then to the G. Plays as an F chord on the 3rd fret. Okay. F shape, 3rd fret. Okay. No need for a bar chord or anything. So this is the whole intro, and then we're into the song. Okay, so just go through it again. When I hear the rain coming down, and it's that. Just C to A minor, but the A minor's played up here. Okay, so when I hear the rain coming down, it makes me sad and blue. It's on a rainy night like this that follows it we were through. So an F goes there at that point. When Flo said we were through, it's an F. We were through, back to the C. Okay. That's the first half of the first verse, so to speak. So let's just do that again. When I hear the rain coming down, it makes me sad and blue. It's on a rainy night, that's like Flo said we were through. And then it just repeats the whole thing again, okay, with different words. I told her how I loved her, and I begged her not to go, but another man had changed her mind, so I said goodbye to Flo. Okay, got that? It's very, very simple. Okay, just C to A minor, C to A minor, and there's a quick, just at the end of the verse, or half of the verse, is an F. Okay. And then it repeats it again for the next verse. The only thing that's different about it is that the F to C at the end of the verse is repeated. The last line of the verse is repeated. The bit that says, but they're hanging me tonight. Okay, so let's just do the second verse. Alone within myself tonight, my heart is filled with fear. The only sound within this room is the repeat that, but they're hanging me tonight. And that's basically it. That's the whole song. It just repeats another 2 verses. Exactly the same to play, just different words. Okay, so it's a story song. Okay, so this just for fun. We'll go through the whole thing I've just done for you. Intro, first 2 verses, and then basically the whole song repeats with different words. Okay, so here we go. Well, I hear the rain coming down. It makes me sad and blue. It was on a rainy night like this that flows that we were through. I told her that I loved her, and I begged her not to go, but another man had changed her mind, so I said goodbye to Flo. Alone within myself tonight, my heart is filled with fear. Sound within the room is the falling of each tear. I think about the thing I've done. I know it wasn't right. They'll bury Flo tomorrow, but they're hanging me tonight. They're hanging me tonight. And so on. Okay, there you have it, boys and girls, a nice easy one for you if you like Marty Robbins. Thanks very much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.